to my channel, Thrifted Threads. My name's Jaden, and today I was not actually planning on doing this one, but after my video last week, I just realized I don't really have a ton of shorts, and we're starting to get to short weather, so obviously I found these beautiful vintage Old Navy jeans at Goodwill for $4, and I had to turn them into a pair of shorts. So that is what I'm going to be doing, and stick around if you want to know how I recycled my old jeans into a super cute pair of denim shorts. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so the first thing we are going to talk about is supplies. You obviously need your jeans, a pair of scissors. Fabric scissors are the best, but I just have these regular scissors, and then either chalk or a washable marker. This does come off, but it doesn't matter if it really doesn't, because by the time that we're done, you're not going to really see anything anyway. Next, you're going to want to just lay out your shorts flat and figure out where you want them cut. Here's my inseam. I normally come down about 3 inches just to make sure I'm on the safe side, because I don't want them to be short, and you can always cut less. You can't add more, so keep that in mind. And then guys, you want to actually cut at an angle. So I'm going to start there and cut at an upwards angle. That way it flatters your body. Okay guys, so that side is done, and then you just want to flip them over to make sure you get the same cut and length on the opposite side as well. Alright guys, so there you have it. Super sweet, super simple. I'm going to show you what they look like on, but it's super easy to recycle, and these are super cute. So let's get to the try on. Alright guys, here is the finished look. I really like these. Like I said, if you wanted to do a shorter length, you totally can. You can roll them up if you do. And after you wash them, they are going to be even more frayed and distressed. I'm not showing you that, I am not showing you them like that yet, because Friday's video is actually going to be how I distress my denim. So I'm going to be showing you that with these shorts. So come back, so you don't want to miss that. Also, our giveaway is still going on, and you're not going to want to miss when we announce the winners in Friday's videos. I will throw them all up over here and over here again for you guys, because you really don't want to miss them, and we'd love to see you guys all participate. And guys, yeah, thanks for tuning in. I hope this really helped you guys upcycle your old jeans and saves you money this summer, and I hope you guys enjoyed this hack as much as I did. Thanks for hanging out with me. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell if you haven't, so you can keep hanging out with me. And guys, I will see you next time. Bye.